Hi, today we will learn the phrasal verb get something back. It means to receive something again. For example, if you lend a book, you want to get it back. You can say, I got my book back yesterday. This phrase is separable. You can say, get the book back or get back the book. Both are correct. Use it when you lose or borrow something. Also, it can be used for ideas like confidence. For example, she wants to get her confidence back. Remember, get something back is different from give something back. Give back means to return something to someone. But get back means to receive something you lost. Try these sentences. I want to get my phone back. Did you get your money back? Practice makes perfect. Use get something back in your daily conversation. It's easy and useful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.